Welcome back to another video, guys. We are out here next to the camper and we have an awesome product. I'm sure by the title you can tell that we have a new cover for the camper. We want to keep it protected. We want to keep it safe while it sits out here until we can get a permanent structure built for it. And who better than to reach out to than Covercraft for all of your vehicle, RV, boat protection needs. Now, if you haven't seen any of my other previous videos, we've used them for seat covers, sunscreen covers, floor mats in your vehicle. We use their cover on the boat, on the Element, to keep it covered. We may be using them again to cover the new Yamaha jet boat, but they have everything you need to keep the sun off of your toys and equipment. Now, before we get into unraveling this thing and getting it put on, as always, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and all of Covercraft's information is down in the link below, so make sure you go check them out. Alrighty, so this camper does not have a built-in ladder on the back. I'm hoping to get one of those installed, especially by next year, because when we're putting this cover on, you do have to get on top of the camper. Now, we have our ladder set up here in the background. I like it here next to the barn because it makes me feel a little safer, as this is a pretty tall camper. So we're gonna hop on here, take the cover up, and basically unroll it in the middle, drape it over the sides, and then we'll get it strapped down. Alrighty, so if you can tell, this is a prime example of why you need a cover. You want to protect this top membrane type material. We have bird already on the antennas. We have it on top of the AC unit, and it's starting to color. Now, we'll get it covered today, but then we're gonna have to come in here and get this scrubbed off and get it washed off, protect these lines, and protect the top. So, let's get the cover on. Alrighty, guys, it is a scorcher out here today. It's super hot. I was trying to get out here and get it done early, but it is just, it's hot. So we have the cover on, super simple. I've adjusted the sides and the top a little bit. So now we're gonna get these straps, strap it on, get it cinched down, take a look at the tire covers. So there you have it, guys. Cover's on, it's all locked down. There are a couple straps here on the bottom that we're gonna tuck into some pockets that are built in to the cover itself. We have a couple of the tire covers on, and I just put them on there so you guys can see them. I am gonna take them back off because they're just gonna collect grass and stuff when I mow, because we are in a field, we're not on concrete yet. Once again, all their information is down below, covercraft.com, for all of your car needs, truck needs, RV needs, Carver Industries for all your boat needs. Trust me, they have everything that you could want, so make sure you go check them out. Cover's awesome, fits great. It's gonna protect it while we sit out here in the hot sun, because it is just another super, super hot day. We have the ability to unzip the side and still access that RV, which is huge, because we do not want to have to take the cover on and off in order to get into the inside. It is rain, water resistant. Super excited to get our first rain, kind of see how it holds up. So if you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Otherwise, we're gonna leave you here. We're gonna get those straps tucked in to the cover, like I mentioned, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. See you later.